My Polar M400 watch has just arrived with its heart monitor. I'm opening the box. Here's the heart monitor. Smaller than I expected. And here is the watch. Rather like the strap. Doesn't look like one before. Come undone and drift away. It's a cable, USB cable. Good start. Must have a piece of plastic on the front as well. Ooh. It isn't actually on. So here are some instructions. Oh my goodness, it's written in 100 languages. So getting started in English. Kom Eingang Guide. So quite a lot of those. And here's the English one. Welcome, congratulations. Smarter device. It's training by itself, but you get more out of it when you use it together with the Polar Flow. To know your get started. Make sure you enjoy your M400, downloading the latest firmware and taking the Flow web service into use. If you're in a hurry, get a quick setup, plug it into your oh no, I just want to turn it on. With a USB cable to charge the battery. If the battery is completely empty, it takes a couple of minutes for charging animation to appear. When charging is complete, set up your M400 to get the most accurate and personal training data. Wear the heart rate sensor, moisten the electrode area, clip the strap round your chest and adjust the strap to fit snugly and attach the connector. After training, detach the connector and rinse the strap. You need to set the heart rate sensor pair it with your M400. Yes, press start and choose your sport. Oh well, I thought I was going to be able to switch it on and go. Still, it looks quite nice. It's quite a nice soft feel, that. Big watch face. The buttons feel quite nice to press as well. With a positive feel. Just put it on. We'll have to try that when I've done that. And here's the heart band. Right. So, soft strap. Doesn't look too straightforward. Oh, you hook that through there, do you? Well, anyway. It's going to be a bit weird if that's around my back, but it won't be around my back. I'll have to do it around my front, won't I? Like that. Feels nice. And 2 press studs. Oh yes, 2 press studs. So that obviously goes there. That's pretty good. Yeah, so you can buy a strap and you can put a new battery into that. Charge it with the cable. Very good. So far, so good.